What's up YouTube, it's your channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topic about Queen of Hip Hop Nicki Minaj. Highly anticipated Barbie movie is here, guys. Last night was premiere at Shrine Auditorium in Los Angeles and lead stars Dua Lipa, Billie Eilish, Nicki Minaj and more attended to premiere. You can check out pictures on the screen. So, one and only Nicki Minaj pulled up at red carpet and shocked public with her amazing blonde hair. So let's check this out the video, come on.
I'm glad that they thought of me because I'm excited just like everybody else is excited to see this movie.
How could they not think of you? I mean, it's right there.
Man, Nicki Minaj is so beautiful and her hair is amazing. She's GOAT and real queen of hip hop. She is the only Barbie that matters. So guys, today we have also another topic and our next topic is about Griselda member Westside Gunn and Yo Gotti. Last night, Yo Gotti and Westside Gunn reunited in the New York club, so let's check this out the video, come on. Honestly, I want to see Westside Gunn and Yo Gotti collab song. We need that feature ASAP. So to all guys, thanks for watching. It's your channel YTV. If you like the video's content, subscribe to the channel. Also get the notification bells and don't forget to visit website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.